Welcome to our portable washing machines showdown. Today, we will be comparing the BANGSON compact portable washing machine with the GreenChat portable washing machine. Both of these machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small living spaces like dorms, RVs, and apartments. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The BANGSON compact portable washing machine offers a washing capacity of 11 pounds, making it suitable for larger items like jeans and shirts. In contrast, the GreenChat portable washing machine is designed for smaller garments only, making it less versatile for typical laundry loads. This significant difference in capacity highlights the BANGSON's advantage for users with more extensive laundry needs. The BANGSON features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save time during laundry. On the other hand, the GreenChat's foldable design makes it incredibly portable and easy to store, perfect for travel or small spaces. Each design has its strengths, catering to different user needs. In terms of functionality, the BANGSON uses a high RPM motor for effective washing and spinning, while the GreenChat employs a gentle hand scrubbing method. This difference means that the BANGSON can handle more robust laundry tasks, whereas the GreenChat is better suited for delicate items. Understanding these functionalities can help you choose the right machine based on your laundry requirements. In conclusion, both the BANGSON compact portable washing machine and the GreenChat portable washing machine offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. The BANGSON is ideal for those who require a more robust washing solution with higher capacity, while the GreenChat excels in portability and is perfect for delicate items. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.